eat the cookie with the milk. Cookies? Eat it with the milk.
Top rack off.
Gotta eat it with the milk.
What is this?
Peanut butter cookies. Jasmine?
I'm talking about this song.
Yeah.
It's gonna take me a month.
Do you want a cookie?
Peanut butter cookies. Eat it with the milk.
Cookies, people.
Peanut butter cookies with milk.
I want one. I want one. I want one.
Hey, them motherfucking peanut butter cookies good.
I want peanut butter.
Try it with milk. It's even better.
Everybody put some milk.
Okay.
Yeah, can't you about the milk? The milk's right there. You gotta eat it with the milk. That's like. Gotta eat it with the milk.
I got one.
It might not be taken right now.
Right in the mouth. You wanna go give me some milk?
I got that one. You want cookie Jasmine? We're good now. We're trying to take her meat. Where you put the top?
Probably put in there. Anybody else cookies?
I'll probably get one. We're gonna take off the top wrap.
Thank you, I appreciate it. For real. Thank you.
Try it with the milk, dog.
Yeah, I'm good too. Thank you, Greg.
It tastes so much better with the milk.